Hey everyone, so about for the past hour I've tried to figure out how to convert our Zoom meeting into a YouTube video, and I can't figure it out, and Zoom wouldn't work for me anymore, so I had to figure out Google Hangout. And I know you don't care about any of this, but my brain may explode. So for those of you who weren't in our math lesson or showed up late, I'm just going to do a quick math lesson. It's not going to be as long as our actual meeting was, and I'm just going to kind of introduce our new standard that we're doing with you will be able to say, I can solve word problems involving money. So we're just going to kind of review and do some things that we did today in our meeting, okay? So the first thing we did is we talked about a penny. A penny has a value of 1 cent. The next thing is a nickel. This one is a nickel, and it has the value of 5 cents. This is a dime. It has the value of 10 cents. And the last one is a quarter, and it has the value of 25 cents. So if you were going to write a number sentence to represent 3 nickels, you would do 5 plus 5 plus 5. And each 5 represents a nickel because that's what it's worth. And then the answer would be 5, 10, 15. 15 cents. And don't forget to write the cent sign, which is a C with a line through it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to skip count the coins, okay? So go ahead, and if you made the coins, I want you to get out 10 nickels. Okay, so I have 10 nickels. So go ahead and get yours out as well. And if you don't have it out, you can pause this video. And so now we're going to skip count together. Ready? Oh, but first we are going to count by 5s because a nickel is worth 5 cents. Okay, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Oh, I must have 11 nickels. Let's get rid of one. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I have 50 cents total. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a variety of coins. So we're not just going to be able to count by the same exact thing. So I'm going to have 1 nickel, and 5 dimes. And you can start with the nickel. You can count 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Or you can start with the dime, which is the largest coin, and count by that way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. 55 cents. So now I'm going to trade out my quarter for a nickel, or for a quarter. I'm going to trade out my nickel for a quarter. And so I can start with my largest coin and go 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. 75 cents. Now I'm going to take out 2 dimes and put in 3 pennies, and you can do that with me. And count with me. 25, 35, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58. Now notice every time we go to a new coin, we need to change what we count by. So it's important to know the value of each coin. Okay, now we're going to do a couple of mixed groups like we have been. And I want you to try to really push yourself and solve it on your own. So I'm going to have 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 penny. Go ahead and solve that yourself and see how much you have. You should have said 25, 35, 36. 36 cents. Now I'm going to have 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 2 nickels. You can do 25, 35, 40, 45. 45 cents. Now I'm going to add in 2 pennies. 25, 35, 36, 37 cents. Now I'm going to do 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Now this is interesting because we've been going from largest to smallest. But if you put a quarter and a nickel together, it makes a new 10. So it would be 25, 30, 40, 50. So I think that's a lot easier. So if there's ever a quarter and a nickel, you may want to add those to make a new 10. Let's do one more together. Now I want you to answer, how much are 2 quarters worth? You should have said 50 cents. So if I have 2 quarters and 5 dimes, I have 50 cents. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 cents. Okay, your math paper is on the next slide. So, or this will be sent on Dojo, but your math paper is on your slide as well. Bye.